Guys, Mike G with MDG Collections on hand. Today, ladies and gentlemen, the time has come. I have finally received my new metal American Express Gold card. People that were already members before the October 4th new change had to wait a little longer. If you signed up on the 4th or right after as a new member, you got your card right away by UPS within 2 days or maybe within 5 days. For people that were already American Express members, we had to wait, and it was a long wait. I ordered my card on the 4th, and they said I would get it on the 16th. I didn't get it on the 16th, thanks to the United States Postal Service. I got it 2 days after the 16th, which is today, and it just came in a piece of mail just like this. We're gonna go ahead and do not even an unboxing because it's pretty much just in an envelope. When you are a new customer, you get the box like how you saw on my unboxing of my new PRG when it was the PRG. Now it is no longer the PRG, it is now just the American Express Gold card. When you get your updated card after you're already a member, you just get it like this. Everyone already knows my first name is Michael, so I didn't bother to even try to hide that, but I hid all my other information. Alright, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So once again, if you were an American Express member of the PRG before they just changed it to the actual gold card, you just get an envelope like this, and they do not expedite it. It takes a while to get to you. So here we go, butter knife. I got this to open real nice without really ripping it or tearing it that much. So you get this mailback envelope if you wanted to send your old card back to them and have them discard of it properly. It says on the back, if you are replacing a metal card, please use this postage paid envelope for secure disposal. All right, and this is like how I said, if you wanted to send your old card back so they can dispose of your old card. All right, guys, so when you open up your envelope on a replacement card, it's just like this. You just get one sheet of paper, and it basically says, welcome to your new American Express Gold card. Here's everything you need to know to get started. They don't even send you any more terms of agreement or anything like that because you've already received that as a new member. This is just a replacement card. So people, when you get your replacement card, it will look just like this. And basically, I mean, not exactly like this. I have stickies all over to protect my private information. We are going to take this card off, and I'm going to show you how it looks compared to my old card and the color difference that this has compared to my old gold card. So let's do that right now. And wow, this thing is pretty heavy. I'm going to take off this white sticker right here. Alright, so here is the new card, and I'm trying to basically move it through the light so you can see how it looks. Definitely the heaviest card I've ever held. It's weighing in at about 15 grams. Here is the old card, all right, the PRG, and here is the new metal card. So old card here, new card here. You can see how they differ in color. As best I can, I'm trying to show you in the light that I have right now how the difference is in color, how they look compared to each other. This one definitely is a lot darker from what I can see. It has more of a bronze look to it, but it's definitely a deep gold look. It definitely bends, as you can see. With the new card right here, very little bend. I mean, it really doesn't bend at all. On the back, you have your actual number. All right, guys, so that will pretty much do it for this unenvelope. Can't even call it an unboxing, even though the title says unboxing. It is an unenvelope. I guess, I don't know if that's the first one on YouTube, but I doubt it. So these are the two cards side by side. My new metal gold card, the old PRG card that I'll just keep, and basically how it looks, the color difference, the weight and difference, 15 grams, and this was in the single digits of grams. I can't really remember how much it weighs, but definitely a difference in weight. You can feel the metal gold card is a lot heavier than the plastic card, and in light how they look side by side, as best I can for you guys before I end this video, that's how they look side by side. It is definitely more noticeable when you're holding them in your hand how this one feels more prestige, to be honest with you. So that's gonna be it, guys, for this unboxing slash unenvelope, however you want to call it. Lastly, I did call American Express to make sure that with the gold card, the new gold card, since I was a member before the changes, I still get my 2 points on gas stations. So yes, you are grandfathered in if you had your card before the new changes. If you were already a member like how I was before the new changes, you still get your 2 points at gas stations until they stop that. I'm hearing October of next year. I asked the representative over the phone if that was true, and she said she couldn't see there was a cutoff in October, so it would just be until further notice. But as far as we know, you will always get the 2 points if you were a member before the 4th of October when they changed everything to the new changes. You are grandfathered in with the 2 points for gas stations, plus you get the actual 4 points. You get all of the upgrades, and you did not lose your last feature, which is 2 points for gas. And also, if you were a member before the 4th, the annual fee is still waived for you for the first year. You don't have to pay it if you were a member before October 4th. If you got the card on the 4th or after, you will have to pay your annual fee immediately within the first month. So that's gonna be the video for today, guys. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna be a wrap.